If you're growing in 2026, the hardening off process will be here before you know it. This is not an easy job. There's a lot of bending down and picking up. And then there's the decision making of where to harden off. We are currently in one of our new hobby houses. And in this video, we're going to show you how we built this folding DIY shelf. It's customizable for any size hoop house. The kit comes with specialty connectors, and you'll source the pipe and your choice of tabletop locally. The bench folds up when not in use, and it easily folds down to give you a rock solid surface. This is great for hardening off the transplants, prepping your cell trays and pots, or any other garden activity or storage needs you may have. If you have shelves in your hoop house, comment down below what worked or what you would have changed. Here's what's included in the kit: rail clamps, easy tees, fixing pads, pipe caps, and galvanized hardware built for seasonal service. Here's what to get locally: top rail pipe and your choice of tabletop material. We used a leftover piece of cattle panel, but you can also use expanded metal. We like these options because when it's folded up, it still lets the light through. If you build on the north side of the hoop house, you could use plywood or any other type of wood, but it would need to be sealed. And now, in less than 2 minutes, we'll show you how we built this. Pick up any 2 vertical uprights, measure the distance and subtract 1 inch. That gives you your rear crossbar length. Cut your legs, your arms, and your crossbar. You're going to want to slide your fixing pad and 2 tees onto your crossbar. Install your first rail clamp at table height and then slide in your crossbar. Now that it's in, you can level, tighten, and secure your crossbar with self-tapping screws. Note, the bolts will face away from the plastic just like this. Insert the arm into the tee, leaving the bottom side loose so when it folds down, it pivots. If you're using cattle panel like we did, you can save these and use them for another project. If you're using wood or tighter mesh material, you can use the fixing pads. The hardware you would use in this hole would be dependent on the material you choose. If you need help with material selection or anything else, you can always call our US-based customer service. On your crossbar, slide on a T, your fixing pad, and another T. On this part, you will tighten both setting screws. On the legs, tighten the top of the T while leaving the base loose. Do the same on this side. When it comes to the tabletop, using the material of your choice, you can either use the fixing pad or wire. And we just used a piece of scrap material to help hold this in place. And to fold down the table, you might have to adjust the legs just to get it in the right place, and then it's ready for any heavy-duty use. Follow along and subscribe. All this month we are releasing DIY project kits for your garden.